Here's a 2011 Chevy Silverado Z71 package, 58,000 mile, 3-owner local trade in blue. Really sharp vehicle here, clean auto history report, local vehicle, only 58,000 mile on a 2011, no oxidation at all. Just really fortunate to have this clean of a truck brought our way. And I'm just going to kind of show you, you do have the halogen headlamps there with the driving lights below, integrated fogs in the lower bumper face. You can see you do have the black tow hooks on the lower part of that bumper as well as your classic Chevrolet grille. Chrome accents upper and lower, black honeycomb behind. As we continue around to the side, it's got really good wheels. Sometimes these Chevrolet wheels can get a little pitted and oxidated. These are not that way. 5-spoke alloy wheel, excellent tires on it too, 3/4 tread, I would say, probably about 7, 8, 30 seconds. And you can see it has a nice shiny brand new rotor and brand new brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that inspection signed up by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. As you're looking through the passenger side front seat, you see a 40/20/40 fold down center console bench seat here. That gives you the ability to transport 6 people in this truck. You also can see a little bit of brushed aluminum highlights throughout that dash panel, charcoal cloth seating as well as carpeting. And you can see the door panel there kind of ties in with that. Also, I want to show you, we do have aftermarket door-to-door black step bars there, as you can see as well. And I didn't even want to shut that door because this actually is the extended cab, double cab. So that handle is right there. Now, obviously, on the extended cab, not as much space back there, but still ample leg, hip, and shoulder room for your rear occupants. You also can see the all-weather mats there in the back to protect. Now, let's take a peek back here. You can see the Z71 logo. We do have your diamond plate bed cap covers. Also, you can see, again, this wheel's in very good shape. Matching tire. Also, like to show you a pic of the frame. See, zero rust on that frame rail. Very clean vehicle. Also, we do have a little aftermarket exhaust tip and exhaust system there. We do have your factory molded mud flaps on the front and the rear. So this truck is very well accessorized. You can see the class 3 tow hitch with integrated 7-way round trailer harness. You also can see your brand new spare tire. It does have the backup sensors, proximity sensors there, so you don't bump into anything. It's a nice feature as well. It does have the GM drop-in bedliner and the easy drop tailgate there, as you can see. Helps protect your bed. Continuing around to the driver's side. Again, just the matching tire. Wheel is in excellent shape. Zero rust on the frame. I mean, you just can't beat a 58,000 mile 2011 model that was traded locally. Let's go ahead and take a peek in through the front. See, you do have a power seat here adjuster on the driver's side front seat, which is a nice feature. And then I'll just give you a quick look through the rear on this angle. See, very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. The previous owner was a non-smoker. And before I get into the interior tour, I like to show you, it is 2 key fobs with the split key and fob. It is equipped with a factory remote start, which is a nice feature as well. As we continue the tour, your locks, windows, mirrors, all located right there. Let's go ahead and jump in. And before I show you the history report, let's just start it up. Show you the exact miles. There you can hear that aftermarket exhaust. Really cool sound and rumble. 58,960 original miles on this truck. You can see there, clean auto history, 3-owner, no accidents. Like I say, we always keep that report right on the dash. Let's continue our tour here. You do have automatic headlamp controls. There's your interior dimmer and dome switch. You do have your menu here to change your center dash. You can see tripometers, fuel range, engine economy, different timers, trans temp. All those items can be configured with those buttons right there. We do have your cruise to the left of the wheel. We have your audio controls and Bluetooth to the right. We do have a column shift here with a tow haul button at the end, as well as the ability to select any of the gears of the multi-speed transmission. You see AM, FM satellite radio, single CD. We also have dual climate control here, electronic shift on the fly 4-wheel drive transfer case. We've got 2 12-volt power supplies, power pedals on this truck. We do have the ability to shut off those parking sensors I showed you in the bumper or your traction control system. Does have an auto dim on your rearview mirror, and of course all GM vehicles are equipped with OnStar. You do have your universal home link here to program your garage door opener and gates. Got your LED map lights. We do have your illuminated visors. We got 3 large cup holders in the center console, and as we open it up, you can see a little organization there and a nice little cargo ability. Of course, looks like we got a couple little pockets here to keep some of your items. Now let's go ahead and pop the hood, show you what's underneath. Should have a 5.3 liter Vortec V8, tried and true engine used by Chevy and almost all of their full-size trucks and SUVs. Very reliable. As you can see, very, very clean. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminals. Looks like a brand new truck underneath here. Very, very well maintained by the local owner that traded it. I'm going to shut the truck off. We'll get into the last portion of the video. Now, as I explained, we keep the mechanical evaluation in the glove box, the auto history on the dash. The last part of making an informed buying decision is the cosmetic appearance. My job is just to go around and show you any minor imperfections this vehicle may have, like those few stone chips. Obviously, we only keep our cleanest trades. We only try to buy the cleanest of vehicles, but all used vehicles are going to have some small imperfections. But we try to get them as clean as possible for you guys. We want you to have a like new buying experience at a used car price. So try to get these things as flawless as possible. As you can see, I haven't really noticed any dents, just a few little minor chips and scrapes down that side. Chip right there. But other than that, looks pretty good. Tailgate looks fine. A couple little chips here on the back as well, as you can see. A little bit of fading on that bow tie there. But dent-wise, very, very clean. Even the chrome bumper, no dents. Let's work our way up the passenger side, bedside again. Just a couple little chips here. But I haven't really noticed any dents to speak of. Little minor scratches and chips. But all in all, very, very clean. 2011 Chevy extended cab 4-wheel drive truck with only 58,000 miles in the McConnellsburg area, practically all its life. See, very, very clean. A little bit of bug damage, a couple scattered stone chips here on these painted cap covers on the front bumper. And then it does have a Cabela's shield here to protect the hood. It did a good job. A couple stones made their way past. But as you can see, excellent, excellent new car alternative, guys. Now, it is out of its factory obligation due to model year, so therefore it will be sold with our lifetime internal engine transmission warranty for as long as you own the vehicle. That is included in our asking price. Just ask the sales associate for more details. If you're interested, there's a few ways of getting a hold of us. Look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.